lovely children. So children, how are you all? I hope you are doing very well and in a very good health. Children, today I am going to tell you a story. Yes, today is storytelling. But before that, what is my name? Yes, Mrs. Anita D'Souza, your Anita teacher from Senior KG Toddledom. And the name of our story is The Fox and the Goat. Do you know what is a fox? It is about a fox. You know what is a fox? A fox is a wild animal. It stays in the jungle. And what is the other character in the story? Yes, goat. Goat is a domestic animal. Goat is a domestic animal. It gives us milk. Yes, it gives us milk. So children, before I start the story, let me tell you words which are in the story. So when you listen to the story, you will be able to understand the story very well. Okay? Now as I told you about the goat, there is also a well in the story. Now what is a well? What is a well? Can anybody tell me what is a well? What is there? Have you seen it? Where have you seen it? Yes, in a native place. When we go to a native place, there's a well in a native place. And in the well, what is there? Yes, in the well, water is there. And well is also called as the source of water. Whenever there is rain, so all the water gets collected in the well also. So from well also we get water. So that is called as a source of water. Well is a source of water. There's one more word, summer. You know what is summer? Yes, summer is the name of the season. We have 3 seasons in India. How many seasons are there in India? 3 seasons. Rainy season, winter season and summer season. And in summer season, we feel very hot. We sweat a lot. We want to drink lot of water. We feel very thirsty. Thirsty means what? Yes, when you want to drink water, that time you feel very thirsty. And when you drink water, your thirst is quenched. Quenched means what? Now you feel relaxed. After you drink water, you feel relaxed. Okay children, so let's get into the story. Come on, let's begin. The Fox and the Goat. Peak summer day. A poor fox was so thirsty. It searched for water here and there. And finally, the fox saw a well. The fox peeped into the well. There was water, but at a low level. As the fox tried to lick some water, it fell into the well. Although the thirst of the fox was quenched, but it was not able to climb out of the well. The fox was thinking. To his joy, the goat came along that way. The fox made a plan. Oh, how sweet the water is! The fox started chuckling. Do you want to try some? he asked the goat. The poor goat believed the fox and jumped into the well. The fox took its chance. It jumped on the goat, leaned forward, and out of the well. Now, the poor goat had to wait for a shepherd to rescue him out of the well. Moral of the story is, if there is a will, there is a way. Children, did you understand the story? Yes, the story is about the fox and the goat. Okay, the fox was very thirsty. He was searching for water. He found a well, but the water was very low, and while he was trying to drink some water from it, he lost his balance and fell into the well. As he was thinking, who came nearby? Yes, the goat came, and it tricked the goat. He started saying, he made a plan and started saying, "Oh, the water is so sweet. Do you want to drink some?" And the poor goat believed, and she jumped into the well. And this was the chance for the fox. The fox took his chance. He jumped on the goat and leaped forward, and he was out of the way. So children, if you want to do that work, if you want to do that work anyway, you will do it. Because of the disease called corona, okay, because of this disease we are not able to meet and you cannot go to school. But if you want to study well, watch this video and take good and you will learn the lessons whatever the teachers are telling you, and this way you will learn, you will watch the videos, you will listen to mommy, okay, and you will not make any excuse. Okay, so where there is a will, if you have a will to learn, you will learn. Anyway you will learn. Okay, if mommy also doesn't remind you, then also you will tell mommy, today class is there and learn. Okay, so if there is a will, there is a way, no matter if the schools are closed. But these videos are there and we are coming to teach you this way. There is a will, so that is why we are coming to teach you. There is a way. Okay children, so did you like the story? Yes? Good. Let's do a revision. Let me see how much you have learnt. Okay, you have to answer my questions. Now children, tell me, who was thirsty? Yes, the fox was thirsty and he was looking for water here and there. Who fell into the well? Yes, the fox fell into the well. What did the fox tell the goat? How he tricked the goat? What did he say? Anybody? Yes, he said, the water is very sweet. Do you want to drink some? What is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is, if there is a will, there is a way. Children, I hope you enjoyed this story and you understood the story also. So keep on revising, keep on practicing, and be safe, stay home, be good. Bye. See you next time.